Hi, this is Barbara Template, and today I'm going to show you how to insert a YouTube video. So let's have a look. I'm sharing my screen right now. So let's go to Canva, open some new design, for example, Instagram post, and you want to share some video which is related to your niche, to your topic, to something something what you talk about on your account. So we can write some text first. Let's make it bigger. And the heading or the text will be, for example, my new video, okay, which you just released. We can change the font. We can change the color. Okay, we can make it bigger, smaller. That's up to you. And now let's go for a video. How do you insert a video straight from YouTube so you don't need to share only the link? So you go here on the left and you go down here. If you haven't used it before, I've used it before, so I've got it here, one of the icons, it's YouTube. But if you don't have it here, you go to 3 dots to more, and over here you find it in discover content from. So you click on YouTube, and here are already some videos, and you just search for the video you want, or you insert a link. So I'm going to search for the video. So let's go for music. Let's go for, I don't know, Martin Garrix. Okay, I want to share one of his songs, and you just click on the video and it appears on your design. Yes, like this. Now you just adjust the size of the video, how you want it on your post or on your design. You can even insert this video into various frames, so it's got different shape, but the video is playing there. And that's it, as simple as that. When you're downloading this page, you need to, of course, download it as an MP4 video. Yeah, don't if you download it as a PNG or JPEG, the video won't play. And when you post this page, the video will automatically play there, yeah, or it will play when you double clicked to interact. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video, how to use Canva and how to use Canva for your business. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.